Hello everybody, welcome to Cat Shave and Bathe. First step of shaving a cat. You need to firmly grasp it, like so. Second order of business, water. Right, now it's time to get a good rinse in. You're just gonna take some water like so. And just rinse him. Just gonna rinse him. You know what I mean? Just like that. Oh yeah. He loves it. He loves that so much.
One of the greatest qualities of Coopersville Shave and Bathe is our broad selection of shampoos.
Now it's time to bring in the flea and tick shampoo. All natural, of course. I'll just scrub it in there. No, you get that down there. Man, he loves this so much. Oh, right in there. That's what I'm talking about. Just think about it. You can have me come down in my minivan to your house and do this at your house for a price that will be determined at a later time.
Us employees at Coopersville Shave and Bathe are so talented that the cats don't even try to struggle when we're bathing them.
Man, he loves this so much. He loves this so much. Look at that. Beautiful. Just look at that shine.
My personal favorite job is using the high quality rinser.
Now it's time to get the good scrubber out. We're gonna give him a good rinsing. Trust me, I'm a professional. I've done this. Okay, this equipment is highly good quality, and we're gonna use it. All right, time for the high quality scrub.
The service you get at Coopersville Shave and Bathe is absolutely unmatched.
I'm gonna be put out of the business before the business even starts.
The cats do not even struggle when we're bathing them. I cannot stress this enough.
You get back down in there, boy.
I like to say that we're a completely no-nonsense business and everything we do is completely professional.
All right, this is a very rare situation. Sometimes we have the cats that try to escape. They don't realize how much they actually love it. So, I'm gonna tell you a technique that I use to get them back. Just grab it and hold them just like so. Now it's time to dry the cat. It's a technique I used back in my schooling days for cat washing. Now, all you have to do, hold it just like so, and then consume him with the towel. And then just hug him. Hug him like a baby. Because look how beautiful he is. Isn't that just a nice creature? Yeah. Look at him. He's so awesome.
If you want your cat to get washed and you also want to have a good time doing it, call Coopersville Shave and Bathe.
See, everybody thinks that these things are superior to cats. Just look at how stupid it is. He approves of Coopersville Cat Shave and Bathe. Say the thing, Nate. Say the thing.
I approve of Coopersville Shave and Bathe.
Say it.
My name is Gabriel Michael Foreman and I endorse Coopersville Cat Shave and Bathe.
This fish approves of Coopersville Shave and Bathe. And then Jesus said to his disciples, I approve of Coopersville Cat Shave and Bathe.